Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody...
Hey, Mike Foster here. Having a walk and talk. Nice warm day. Hope you're having a good one. And if you're not, don't take it personal. You know, this video is about people take things too personal. People look at things as if the results are completely directed toward them. You know, one of the things I've learned is a lot of times you're dealing with somebody at work or just in a regular relationship and they're in a weird mood and you're like, boy, what did I do to them? And I always say, don't take it personal. I talked to my wife about it. I say, it's probably nothing to do with you. It's probably completely unrelated to you. I mean, because I think, as human beings, feel like, you know, it's all about us. That the way people are behaving has something to do with us. Sometimes it does. I'd say 9 times out of 10 it doesn't. So don't take it personal. And same thing with how you go about your life, how things come at you, how you could say it's luck or it's bad luck, but I'm an advocate of making your own luck. Don't take it personal. And when you're when you're dealing with people, especially in business, it's not personal, it's business. Those of you who remember that movie, The Godfather, there was a famous line, it's nothing personal, strictly business. And that's the way you should conduct yourself. Today's society with all the social media and all the, you know, all the people have their own little websites and their media sites, and they do take everything personal. And on those sites, maybe you can have a little fun with the personal side of things, but that's not how you conduct your life and your business. There's a personal side, there's a business side, there's a side you should share with the public, and there's a side you should just keep to yourself or just share with your family. Don't make it all personal. And don't take it personal, because you're going to get your feelings hurt, especially if people are doing things that have nothing to do with you personally to get certain results, but you take it personally, then that's on you. So, little quick walk and talk, little advice from your Mike Foster from Live Life 365. Check out my YouTube channel by the same name. And until next time, peace. That landscape is kind of pretty, isn't it?
Live life 365.
Goddamn fucking shit.